Do you want to do your makeup for school but feel like you don't want to wake up early just to do your makeup routine, or afraid that by the end of the school day the school air is just gonna wipe it all away? Well, I have the routine for you. I'm going to show you guys my 10-minute 10-step makeup routine. Beginner friendly, affordable. You guys already know I got you. It's kind of gonna be latte fall inspired makeup. Here are 2 inspo pictures. Here's the inspo face, literally. So if you guys like how this looks, this is the video for you. Keep watching. I think you guys will enjoy. I am gonna be putting this routine to the test because I literally have class in less than 30 minutes and I have to drive there. Let's set a timer, actually see if I can do this in under 10 minutes. Okay, it's currently 12 on the dot. Let's start. First step is going to be primer. I usually like to go in with my e.l.f. dewy primer and just a little bit. You don't really need a bunch. This primer is $10. It smells so good. It's my favorite. And it really does make your makeup last. Once it starts getting tacky and sticky, your primer is good to go. Then I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Don't be mad at me, you guys. I know this is an affordable, beginner-friendly routine, but this is my all-time favorite foundation. Maybe you just have to be like me and get your mom to buy it for you, because I looked this up and it said it's $52. I don't recall my mom paying that much. I thought it was only $30, but Maybelline Fit Me has good foundations. That was the first ever foundation that I used. e.l.f. even has some foundations too. e.l.f. you're gonna see in this video is for sure a brand that is very affordable and has some really good products. I just go in with the light layer on foundation. If you do too much, either your makeup's gonna look crappy because you didn't blend properly because you have so much foundation, or you're gonna take super long trying to blend it all in. And we want this routine to look good and last good because we all know how school air does us. Now I'm gonna go in with concealer, and again, only doing a light layer because if you do too much of the product, you'll just spend so much time trying to blend it in. And I usually would wait and let it sit, but we're on a time crunch. Not everybody has all the time in the world to just let their product sit, and I know that definitely I don't right now. And this concealer that I'm using is by BLKopl. This was $10 as well. Got it from Ulta. Ulta is a great place to shop at for affordable makeup products. Just make sure that you buy products in your price range. There's no need to go out of your price range or your budget to do your makeup. You can use a bunch of drugstore products and still get an amazing look. Next, I'm gonna go in with Lash. Going in with this Honest Beauty blush. This blush is $20. I feel like that's decent. I've had this blush for quite, oop. Oh crap. Okay. And that's why I like to do blush under my powder, because my powder is about to save me with that. I've had this blush for a while and it's lasted me a really long time, and I really like the shade. So if you are comfortable with spending $20 on a blush, I would recommend. And make sure that's blended in well. Patchy blush doesn't look great, and blush is already like distinctive in your makeup routine. So if it's not blended in well, you are unfortunately gonna look cuckoo. Now we can move on to powder. I'm going in with this Morphe powder. This is $15. I also just recently started using Huda Beauty powder too. I've noticed such a difference in my makeup with that, but I won't use it today because I do want to show you guys the more affordable option. Basically just clean up where you get oily, because I feel like that's the first indication of that you have on makeup or that it just doesn't last, is how oily it looks. So we're gonna set in our face as well. Just be precise. Really like look at your face, look around to see if there's any indifferences or anything's not blended well, and just try to clean that up. The time to clean that up is with powder. Next, I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and I like to go heavy on the ends of my lashes just so it's like an effortless kind of look. You don't want to sit here and layer on a bunch of mascara like I normally do, but you do want it to be a little noticeable. Fuck, I'm out of breath. Okay, so it'll give you a cute cat eye look. I feel like you guys see that? You guys tell? Now eyebrows. We are currently at 5 minutes and 50 seconds. I feel like we're making decent time. This is when you have to decide how you distribute your time in your own makeup routine, because I know some people take a very long time on their eyebrows. I personally don't. That's why I like to keep my eyebrows thin. So all I gotta do is draw a line, honey. With bigger eyebrows, I feel like if you make a mistake, it's a little more noticeable, but people could probably say that for thinner eyebrows too. I don't know. I keep my eyebrows thin and basic. You gotta know how your eyebrows, well, what's best for them. That's what you gotta do. I can't help you with your eyebrows. Eyebrows are a personal thing that we all have to go on our own journey to discover. Okay, natural lip. This is also something that you're gonna have to discover on your own as well. I'm just going in with my, oh, forgot to say, the mascara. I usually use the False Lash Effect Essence mascara. That's $10, or probably $8 actually. Eyebrow pencil was also $10. Now I'm going in with this MAC liner in Chestnut. This is my go-to liner. When you're rushing or having to go to school, it is not the time to be playing brightening with lip liners. So just do your routine that you normally do. Quick, simple line of the lips, a small yet noticeable definition added, and just add your favorite lip balm, lip gloss, lip oil, whatever on top, and boom. Lip combo always elevates your makeup effortlessly. That took like 10 seconds of my life, and my makeup already looks so much different. Okay, next, this is my favorite. If you know me, I love a good highlight. I feel like this just elevates my makeup. If you reach this point in your makeup and you're like, something's missing, it just looks too basic, I like my makeup to be noticeable, I want to look different. You know, some people actually like a noticeable makeup look. I say go with some highlight. Highlight always just takes it up a notch. It just snatches your face, especially if you just add it to places that you want to be noticeable more. That's perfect. Forgot to say, my MAC liner is $25, but they have really good NYX lip liners for $5. So if you don't want to pay all that money for a lip liner, you can find a lip liner from NYX for $5. This highlight is $32. I got this from Merit Beauty. It was gifted to me. Love Merit Beauty. They specialize in that natural, clean girl aesthetic makeup. If you do like that highlight, which I love, I would recommend that. But e.l.f. also has highlights just like that in the cream base for $5 as well. Now I'm going to go with my setting spray. We are on the last step, you guys. This part is so important if you want your makeup to last all day, especially if you rushed. You don't want it to be gone by the end of the school day. So this setting spray is $20, but you can also find another setting spray like this one for $8 from e.l.f. Y'all, we did it. We literally did it. This is the fastest makeup artist I know. This is literally the fastest I've ever moved, and my makeup actually looks really good. I think that deserves an applause. This is so freaking good. And a bonus step, if you end up having a little extra time like I do now, just add a little wing. When I say little, I mean little. Don't concentrate hard on trying to make the wings identical. Literally, little wing, little wing. And it just makes your eyes just look pretty, especially if you have an eye shape that may turn down a little bit. Adding just a little liner just lifts your eyes up in such a subtle but gorgeous, beautiful, pretty way. But that is the makeup, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned how to do your makeup super speed. I like this look, and I really feel like it's gonna last me all day. Like, it's such a thin layer of makeup. It's so comfortable. It doesn't feel too cakey. This is perfect. So if you guys enjoyed this video and are enjoying the back to school content, make sure to subscribe, because I am back to school myself. I am a college productive studious girl princess again. So a lot of school content coming from me. I feel like you guys will enjoy the content. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my videos. And yeah, I love you guys if you made it to the end. I hope that your makeup routine eats down. And let me know if you did the makeup, if you liked it, if you would add a tip or whatever. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.